Garret from Garret's Guitar Lessons here, and today I'm going to be going through a neat pentatonic exercise, which is going to be our pentatonic scale in fourths. Now, this example today is going to be in D, D major, and I'm going to be going through all the different pentatonic shapes that we have. Now, being a pentatonic scale and getting rid of a couple notes from our major scale in order to make the pentatonic scale is not every single interval is going to be a fourth, but we're going to have one fifth and one kind of major third in there. But the concept of it is still the same, which is going to be kind of skipping a note in our pentatonic scale. All right, so we're going to play a note, skip the next note in the scale, and then go on to the next one. Okay, so here it is in D as a C shape. So my pinky is going to be at the 5th fret on the 5th string. So I'm always going to begin and end each kind of scale position on the root note, which in this case is D. So my pinky on the 5th string, 5th fret. So I'm going to begin by placing my finger on that note, 5th string, 5th fret, and then going to my 3rd finger on the 4th string, 4th fret. Then we're going to my first finger kind of rolling between the 4th string and the 3rd string on the 2nd fret. Then we go into my 3rd finger on the 4th fret, again kind of rolling from my 4th finger or 4th string to the 3rd string. And then I'm going to be having my 1st finger on the 3rd string, 2nd fret, to my 2nd finger on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. 3rd finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string, pinky on the 5th fret, 2nd string, 2nd finger on the 3rd fret, 2nd string, 1st finger on the 2nd fret, 1st string, and then my pinky is going to be kind of rolling from the 5th fret on the 2nd string to 5th fret on the 1st string. Now I'm just going to descend that now. So I'm going to be going 1st to 2nd on the 5th fret on using my pinky, and then 2nd fret on the 1st string to 3rd fret on the 2nd. So 2nd fret on the 1st string to 3rd fret on the 2nd string, and then pinky on the 5th fret, 2nd string to the 3rd string, 4th fret. 3rd fret on the 2nd string to my 2nd fret on the 3rd string. Then 4th string or 4th fret on both the 3rd and 4th string. Then 2nd fret on both the 3rd and 4th string. 4th fret on the 4th string to 5th fret on the 5th string. 2nd fret on the 4th and 5th. And then 5th, 5th on the 5th and 6th, and then 2nd, 2nd on the 6th, 5th and 6th, back to the root note. Next is going to be the A shape, which is going to be my 5th string, 5th fret with my 2nd finger on it. Now I'm going to be starting out at the root note, that D note, going to my 1st finger on the 4th fret, 4th string. My pinky is going to roll from the 7th fret on the 5th string to 7th fret on the 4th string. And then 4th fret on both the 4th string and the 3rd string to the 7th fret on the 4th string and the 3rd string. 1st finger on the 4th fret, 3rd string to my 2nd finger on the 5th fret, 2nd string. 7th fret on both the 3rd string and the 2nd string. And then 5th fret on the 2nd string and 1st string. 7th fret on the 7th fret on both the 2nd and the 1st string. Next is me descending that same scale shape. So I'm going to be going 7th fret on the 1st and 2nd string, to 5th fret on the 1st and 2nd string, and then 7th fret on the 2nd string and 3rd string, to the 5th on the 2nd string and 4th on the 3rd string. 7th fret on the 3rd string and 2nd string, and 4th string, and then 4th fret on the 3rd and 4th string. 7th fret on the 4th and 5th string, to the 4th on the 4th string and 5th on the 5th string, and then 7th, 7th on the 5th string and 6th string, and then 5th and 5th on the 5th and 6th string, and then back to the root note. Next, we're going to my G shape, which my pinky is going to be on the root note, the D note, 10th fret, 6th string. I'm going to be ascending the scale by starting out with my pinky on the 10th fret, 6th string, to the 9th fret on the 5th string. Then we go into the 7th fret on the 5th and 4th string, 9th fret on the 5th and 4th string, 7th fret on the 5th, on the 4th and 3rd string, 7th fret on the 4th, or 9th fret on the 4th and 3rd string, 7th fret on the 3rd and 2nd string, 9th fret on the 3rd string, 10th fret on the 2nd string. First finger on the is going to roll between the 7th fret on the 2nd string and 7th fret on the 1st string, and then pinky on the 10th fret on the 2nd string, 10th fret on the 1st string. Now I'm going to descend that scale, so it's going to be 10th fret on the 1st and 2nd, 7th fret on the 1st and 2nd, and then 10th on the 2nd string to 9th fret on the 3rd string, and then 7th and 7th on the 2nd and 3rd, 9th and 9th on the 3rd and 4th, 7th and 7th on the 3rd and 4th, 9th and 9th on the 4th and 5th, 7th and 7th on the 4th and 5th, then 9th on the 5th string, 10th fret on the 6th string, and then 7th and 7th on the 5th and 6th string. Back to my root note right there. Next is going to be my E shape. So my second finger is going to be going on that D note on the 10th fret, 6th string. Now I'm going to be starting out with that note and then going to the 9th fret on the 5th string, and then 12th fret on the 5th, on the 6th string, and on the 5th string. Then I'm going to be going to the 9th fret on the 5th string and 4th string, 12th fret on the 5th string and 4th string, 9th fret on the 4th string and 3rd string, 12th fret on the 4th string, 11th fret on the 3rd string, 9th fret on the 3rd string, 10th fret on the 2nd string, 11th fret on the 3rd string, 12th fret on the 2nd string, 10th fret on the 2nd and 1st, and then 12th fret on the 2nd and 1st. Then I'm going to descend that as well, which is going to be 1st and 2nd, 12th fret, 1st and 2nd, then 1st and 2nd, 10th fret, then 12th on the 2nd string, 11th fret on the 3rd string, 10th fret on the 2nd string, 9th fret on the 3rd string, 11th on the 3rd string, 12th on the 4th string, 9th and 9th on the 3rd and 4th string, 12th and 12th on the 4th and 5th string, 9th and 9th on the 4th and 5th string, 12th and 12th on the 5th and 6th string, and then 9th on the 5th string, 10th on the 6th string right there. My final shape is going to be the D shape. This one I'm going to be starting with my second finger on the 12th fret, 4th string. And now I'm going to be going to the 11th fret on the 3rd string. Then 14th fret on the 4th string and on the 3rd string. Then my 11th fret on the 3rd string, 12th fret on the 2nd string. My third finger is going to go up to the 14th fret on the 3rd string. Pinky is going to go up to the 15th fret on the 2nd string. 12th fret on both the 2nd and the 1st string. And then 15th fret on the 2nd string and 14th fret on the 1st string. And I'm going to descend that scale by going 14th fret on the 1st string, 15th fret on the 2nd string, 12th fret on the 1st string and 2nd string, 15th fret on the 2nd string, 14th fret on the 3rd string, 12th fret on the 2nd string, 11th fret on the 3rd string, and then 14 and 14 on the 3rd and 4th string, 11th fret on the 3rd string, 12th fret on the 4th string, and there's my root. I'm going to keep on going down. 14th fret on the 4th string and 5th string, 12th fret on the 4th string and on the 5th string, 12th fret on both the 14th fret on 14th fret on both the 5th string and the 6th string, 12th fret on the 5th string and 6th string, and then hit that D note again. A neat concept that we can implement into our solos, or another exercise to get us more familiar with our pentatonic shapes. If you like this lesson, be sure to check out GarrettsGuitarLessons.com for more free lessons and resources, and even a tab with this exercise and other exercises as well. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video, and leave me some comments in the comments section below. Thank you.